I'm so glad you're here. As always, be the change you wish to see in the world. Okay, now on to question 27. Let's get over here to 20. Oh, wait, we're on 28. Excuse me. That's right. I apologize. I just finished 27. I will be uploading it shortly. I'm uploading another one first. I'm uploading them in the order I did them. Got a production going on here. Now, if you are not familiar with, just look in the box below. It will have a broad description of what's going on. And there is an intro video to this series of MBE questions. And also there's a link where you can find the multiple choice questions PDF. It will be like this title up here. So we're on question 28. And I'm going to make it a little larger so you can see it. Could be working on a phone. I don't know what you're working on. Okay, so Al arranged with Bob to have Bob kill Vic by shooting him. Bob, in turn, paid Tom to do the killing. Let's see if I can get this any bigger. Okay, so Tom went to Vic's home late one evening. Vic had gone to bed, and he had left his bedroom window open. Tom found his long stick, set it on fire, and he inserted the stick through the open bedroom window and started a smoldering fire in the covering of Vic's bed. Vic died from smoke inhalation, but the fire was discovered and extinguished by Vic's son. The only damage to the home was smoke discoloration to the walls next to the bed. Is Tom guilty of common law burglary of Vic's house? Answer. Now here's where you're going to need to pause it. I'll read these out and then I'm going to immediately say the answer. So if you want to work on it yourself and analyze this fact pattern, or you have the PDF in front of you, go right ahead, be my guest. Now, I'm just going to read the answers off, and then I'm going to tell you the answer. So yes is A, because he committed a felony within the home of another during the nighttime. Or B, yes, because he inserted the light stick through the open window. Or C, no, because he did not commit a breaking. Or D, no, because part of his body entered the house. Okay, and the correct answer is C, because he did not commit a breaking. Now you might think, why is that? Because modernly, that would not count, but it's the question's asking you common law burglary. So what I put in my notes here, where is it? Where are my notes? Okay. I'm writing the answers here, and then instead of writing, shoot, don't look at that. Okay. I'm working in a sort of I'm just trying to, get the proper answer or explanation for you. And you can go to this link at Find Law, and it will explain the definition. The unlawful entry into almost any structure, not just a home. Now this is generally, modernly, no physical breaking and entering is required. But remember, they're asking under common law. So at common law, your answer is going to be different. Now, here it is. The crime of burglary has been around for a long time. It originally developed under common law, but states have incorporated basic idea of burglary in their penal codes, albeit with some slight modifications. So let's click on this, the common law. That should take you to it. Oh, what is this? Okay, so this is an article on the evolution of the common law. Oh, they didn't have to do that. Anyway, the elements of burglary arises out of state law, and thus the components of the crime may differ depending on the state. Federal criminal law incorporates the meaning of burglary used by the state that the crime occurred in. So it depends on where you're located. But the Model Penal Code, MPC, uses the same basic definition of burglary. However, in those states, burglary is unauthorized breaking and entering into the building or occupied structure. So anyway, they break it down and discuss, intent and all that other stuff. All right, well, thank you. We're going to move on to the next question.